The girl cleverly defused the crisis and won the consort's shoe's approval. Seeing this, the eunuch asked the prince, "Should we still step in to help?" The prince replied that the girl was no easy target, rushing in now might ruin her own plans. When it came to the final challenge, which required balancing a cup of water while crossing a narrow wooden bridge without spilling a drop, a test meant to examine a woman's grace and composure, the scheming woman sneered, certain the girl would make a fool of herself. The girl coaxed her into demonstrating first. As expected, the scheming woman agreed, but as soon as she stepped onto the bridge with the cup, she slipped and fell. She immediately accused the girl of tampering with the bridge. Skillfully dodging the accusation, the girl was caught in the very moment she stumbled by the prince. She had been waiting for this hero saves beauty opportunity all along, and just as she predicted, the prince appeared. But when she looked up to thank him, she suddenly realized he was the same man she had overheard at the temple that day. Panic set in, he knew her true self, and she feared he might expose her and have her thrown out. The scheming woman quickly stepped forward to lodge a complaint. The girl immediately defended herself, explaining she bore no grudge against the other woman, and besides, everyone had been searched upon entry, how could she possibly have brought tongue oil with her? Perhaps, she suggested, the scheming woman had stepped in the tongue oil used to maintain the girl's gouging before the competition, causing her to slip. With her scheme exposed, the humiliated scheming woman was seized by the prince. He punished her for overstepping her position. Another young lady nearby spoke up in defense, arguing that they were merely candidates in the selection, how could they possibly overstep? To everyone's surprise, the prince immediately took out his own jade pendant and gave it to the girl, declaring her his princess consort. The girl hadn't expected this, despite the prince's hidden condition, he turned out to be quite kind. Her elder sister, who had entered the palace selection with her, burned with jealousy. If the girl really became the prince's consort, their own days would not be easy.